Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Small Cap TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small and mid-cap space at the open, so you'll hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Tuesday, February the 9th. Two great press releases for you, both earnings related. Let's start you off first with Sutor Technology, trades on the NASDAQ under SUTR. They put out their second quarter numbers for the period ended December 31st. It's a China-based manufacturer and distributor of high-end, fine finished steel products. Here are the numbers. Revenue, $115 million, up 22.4%. Gross profit, $8.6 million, up 6.8%. Net income, $4 million, that's up 25%. And that translates into earnings per share of 11 cents. That's up 22%. I like that, and I'll give you that and I'll tell you why in a minute. Balance sheet, cash and cash equivalents, $13.5 million plus about $62 million in restricted cash. Why do I like that earnings per share number? Came in at 11 cents. If you extrapolate that over 4 quarters, that brings you in at 44 cents in annualized earnings per share. Now, that is a big if, but on the other hand, we're also assuming that the company doesn't actually increase its earnings per share. So not a bad assumption to be making. If so, and the company closed yesterday at $2.87, we got a company here trading at 6 times earnings, and they're growing the top line at 22%, and the bottom line at 22%. So pretty good multiple considering all things considered. 52-week low, 89 cents. 52-week high, $5.12. So it's sitting dead smack in the middle. This may be a catalyst to get you back up closer towards the 52-week trading range, the high 52-week trading range. But do your own due diligence, as always. But good news out of Sutor. Next up, Tianyin Pharmaceutical. They've been on the show before. Trades on the Alternext under TPI. They're reporting record second quarter numbers, and I believe they're referring to their revenue. This is a manufacturer and supplier of modernized traditional Chinese medicine. That's a twist on what we had the other day, which was a producer of westernized medicine for the Chinese market. This is the more typical scenario. This is where the second quarter ended December 31st. Highlights. Revenue increased 48% to $14.9 million. Net income increased just under 25% to $2.6 million. And that also created an earnings per share number of 11 cents. I'll get to that in a second. They put out their 6-month revenue numbers, up 44% to $28.3 million. Love that top line growth. Balance sheet, also nice growth. Cash equivalents, and restricted cash, about $19.9 million. That's up from $12.4 million just 6 months ago, or just 6 months previous to this report, June 30th, 2009. Now, why do I like the numbers? If you extrapolate that earnings per share, again, you come out to 44 cents per share. I don't have to go through the analysis I did for Sutor. They closed yesterday at $3.99. So that means on an annualized basis here, you have a company trading at potentially 9 times earnings, which is actually by conventional measurements pretty low when you've got a company growing top line by 47% and bottom line by 25%. Could be a really good multiple. 52-week high, $5.25, 52-week low, $1. Again, closed yesterday at $3.99. So not bad numbers out of them. The last thing you should know about them, they've got a portfolio of 39 products. A lot of companies, a lot of pharmaceuticals have portfolio products. But do they have any weight in the marketplace? It looks like 22 of these are listed in the highly selective National Medicine Catalog of the National Medical Insurance Program. That's good third-party validation. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 2 great press releases for you. If you're looking for more great Chinese small and mid-cap news, get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. 3 things to do there. First, watch this daily show right on the front page, or subscribe to it through our syndication partners, YouTube, AOL, Google Video, you name it. We've got it all over the place. Second thing, best headlines coming out of the small mid-cap space are separated by industry right on the front page, and they go back a couple of days so you can always catch up on what you've missed. And finally, get yourself into the directory. Over 250 of the best small and mid-cap Chinese companies listed on North American markets, doing great things, and you can sort that list by industry and exchange so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.